వీటికి పక్కన పెట్టి ఊరికే పొద్దున్నే కిందకు శనగలు మనం చేస్తాను పప్పు కాయబెట్టి పెడతాను పొద్దున్నే ఎక్కినాయి అది రేపు కాయబెట్టి పెడితే ఏమైతుంది పప్పులో ఎవరైనా ఏమన్నా అయిపోయినా కానీ అస్సలు దాని పప్పు కూడా చూసేస్తుంది ఏమి కాదు కొట్టిన కలర్ వేసుకొని చుట్టున్నాడు నాకు బాగున్నాయి కొడుకు చాలా బాగుంది
అది ఒకరి చేతిలో ఉండేది కాదు కదమ్మా. ఈవిడ ఏంది నీవు అట్లా అంటాండే?
డబ్బులు కావాలని ల్యాప్టాప్కి ల్యాప్టాప్ కావాలంటే నాకు కాకుండా ల్యాప్టాప్ పని జరుగుదంట.
మళ్ళీ అప్పుడు కానే కావాలా ఇచ్చి పంపించాలన్నప్పుడు లేలే బావా నువ్వు ఆయప్ప కాదమ్మా. ఆయప్ప ఒకవేళ ఇట్లా ఎన్నన్నా ఉండే నన్ను ఏమన్నా అనుకుంటే అనుకుంటులేని లేలే బావ నాకు జాబ్ వచ్చేదాకా నాకే ఉండాలా ల్యాప్టాప్ అని అంటే అయిపోయి కదా. ఒకవేళ పంపిమ్మన్నాడు ఆయప్ప అసలు ఇట్లా ఉంటుంది అని. మరి నువ్వు అది ఎట్లుంటుందంటే నువ్వు మాట్లాడేది అదేదో మీరు కావాలని ఇప్పించుకున్నారు అని చెప్పినట్లు ఉంటుంది. నాకే తెలుసు
అది విషయం కాదు. డబ్బులు కావాలని అడిగి మమ్మల్ని తీసుకుందప్ప ఎట్లా అంటే మళ్ళీ ఇంక బాగా అడుగుతున్నా అని ఏం బాగా కావాలని అయ్యేలప్ప ఎట్లా అని అంటిమే మన వద్దులే అయితే అని అన్నాక మళ్ళీ మాకే ఏమో ఇంక ఉన్నాడు తల్లప్ప ఏమన్నా ఉంటే ఇస్తారు లేకపోతే లేదు అడుగు అంటే అడిగి ఇచ్చినాడంట. ఎవరికి తెలిసినో లేదో అప్పుడే మనం తెలుస్తుంది.
ఈ కథ ఎట్లుందంటే అట్లుంది.
తెలిసి ఇచ్చినాడు
కాదు ఈ కథ ఎట్లుందంటే ఈ విషయం అందరికీ తెలుసు. కాకపోతే ఈడే తిరుగుతుంది అనమాట. వాళ్ళకి తెలియదని వీళ్ళకి తెలియదని.
Okay, is it okay now? Is it clear now?
అమ్మలతో అనద్దు నువ్వు మళ్ళీ వాళ్ళు బాధపడతారు అని నాకు
Okay, that's fine. Okay, students. Now I'll continue the session. Now we'll go for further discussion. So last class we already started the syntax for inheriting the features of what? Python. Go to OOPS. Under that, inheritance. Syntax for inheriting the features of which class? Base class. And see this now, class name of class name 1, class name 2, class name n. And these many things, and I told the one of the important last point, that is object type. Let me talk about the examples on this area. Okay, let's start the discussion about it. So I'll go for first program and completely programming today, and middle of the class I'll introduce in connection with polymorphism. Only inheritance will not be there, polymorphism with inheritance will come actually. So first let me talk about inheritance related examples, then after that I will add to this concept polymorphism also I will add. Okay, program for demonstrating inheritance. Now class something like a BC or class something like C1, very small example, DEF get a of self. What is this method is called? Instance method. I say self dot A is equal to 10. Self dot A is equal to 10. That is the class called C1. Very small example, LKG example. Class C2, class C2, DEF, get B of self, self dot B is equal to what? 20. 20. Okay. Now, coming to the main program. What is C1 class is separate. C2 class is also separate. There is no dependency between these two classes, correct? If I create O1 is equal to what? New C2 of. O2 is equal to new C2 of. O2 dot. See students, content of O2 is equal to O2 dot underscore dict of. So I'll say here, so easy students, inhproc1 dot py, inhproc1 dot py. First example, very small example, save it, done. Go to this place, adding this, coming to the command prompt, here, go to this place, Python, 6 p.m. Oops. Here, I will go for inheritance. I'll go for CD inheritance. See students, py, our program name. So there we are getting empty. Now I need to go for, how do you place the data inside of O2? I want to place the data inside of O2. Who can place the data inside of O2? Which method? GetB function. GetB function is what type? Instance method. Still if you maintain silence, already that stage is over. Come on, O2 dot what? GetB of. When you say GetB of, what is the data placing? Self dot B. O2 address is kept in where? Self. Self dot B means this B value kept in where? O2. Print that. You print that. Saying like this. Now see that. B value is called what? 20. B value is 20. Are you following me? Yes. Now I want to place A value also. Can I call O2 dot get A? Come on. No. This is a very important, students. Such a type of question is given and they will ask you what will be the error of it. What will be the error of it? Get A method called with respect to O2. To find out whether it is valid or not, you try to take this flow. Get A method called with respect to O2. O2 is an object of what? C2. PVM control goes to which class? Looking for which method? Get A method. Do you have get A method here? No. What is an error? Attribute error. What error? Attribute error. See that, students? It is an attribute error. C2 object has no attribute called. It is asking get B. Is it get B? It is asking get B only there in C2, but you are writing by mistake get A. No, it is asking. So my question is, get A was already defined here or not? Suppose if you want to get A, what should I do now? DEF. Once again I need to write get A off. Again I need to write self. And self dot A is equal to what? 10 I need to write. Is it not my waste of time? Already it was there or not? So I don't want to write this again. How do you get this method as it is into my C2 class? Apply the inheritance. What should I do that now? C1 of. Which inheritance it is? Which inheritance this is? Single inheritance. Come on, start. Get A method. Now you tell me. Get A method called with respect to O2. O2 is an object of C2. PVM control goes to C2. Looking for get A. There or not there? There or not there? There. How it is available? Logically it is there. Virtually it is there. Virtually it is there. Which is executed. What is the value placed? A value. That also available as a part of O2. Now check it out. Content of O2. Print it. See that A and B values are shown now. Beginning empty. Later this is placed and this is an answer. Earlier we got an error or not? Now no error is coming. Now no error is coming. Are you able to follow, students? Now get B and this A value also. I did not define the code, but I am getting that code as it is. I am calling with respect to that is the power of what? Inheritance. Now I want to add them. Come on, O2 dot. What is this? Operate. Some function I am writing O2 dot operate. So I will go for operate function. In which class? C2 class. Do you have operate function here? No, it is an error. What is that error? Attribute error. Go to that. Come on, define DEF. Come on, fast. Operate of what? Self. Tell me C is equal to, or if you want self dot C is equal to self dot A plus self dot B. Actually, self dot A is no more, but it is available logically, which is coming from where? Base class. I am using, and I will say display the data. Simply you display sum of, I say some operation, whatever you like it, you can do. Whatever you like it is equal to, like this, you say format of self dot A comma, self dot B comma, self dot C, self dot C. You can execute and you can see the result of it like this. Are you following? You need not write this self also here. You can write local variable also, student. You can write local variable also, no issue. So no issue, I can write it. Self dot, same answer is coming. If I write local variable, what is the difference you see once? Okay, difference చూపిస్తాను మీకు ఇప్పుడు. Self dot C you write it. Self dot C you write it. Observe it. Self dot C you write it. You observe it. After some A value, B value, C value coming or not? Now you don't write self here, ma. It is the local variable only. Local variable only. See, students, I am not getting that C value because it is a local variable. It is a data member value. Here it is a local variable. Self related only will come into where? Object level. Object level. And local variables will be there only inside the function. Are you able to follow? So small example here. Understand? Well. Next, what is this get A? Base class method coming into which class? Derived class. If at all you need the methods of base class into which class? Derived class. I'll simply go for what? I will apply the inheritance mechanism. Let me go to one more example. Let us go for fixed values are coming here. Take one more small example. Class parent DEF parent property I am taking here parent property of what? Self. Here I am writing self dot pp is equal to float of enter input of float of input of enter parent property. Next, this is one thing. Class what? Child. Class child of what? Parent. DEF. Come on, students. Child property. I am writing child property of what here? Self I am saying. Come on. I am saying self dot what? CP is equal to enter what? I am writing here child property you are taking. Now I will do DEF total property of self. What I will do? Come on, fast. In this, coming to main program, and a different patterns I am showing students. And don't feel difficulty today. Which object you will create? CO is equal to what? Child. CO dot what I am calling? Only this I will call it. This I am calling. It will go to where? This place. What should I do? TOT property is equal to local variable is equal to self dot parent property. PP will not come. PP if we write it. Self dot what? CP if we write it, you will get error. This data will come when you call it. Understand? This data will come when you call it. CP, PP directly will not be available like other languages. It's a mistake what students will do. Execute it. Execute it. Check it out, students. I am writing here. This is a basic level. Already we discussed it. When you call the method, then only instance data members will come. Otherwise, they won't come. PROG2, go to the place of it. Inheritance PROG3. Out of that, execute it. PY. What is this? Child object has no property called what? PP. Go to that. This is not available. Okay. Remove. You call CP. Also not available. Also not available. CP. Why? They are there as a part of what? Methods. First you need to call that method. That's why I am calling. Tell me. My dear students, I will call it like this. Of plus self dot child property. Because of that, what is substituted? That values are going to come. And still, if you are more powerful student, when you are writing that, do you know what is coming? You can say, I did not write this model. First time I am writing. What is this? Self dot pp. I am returning that value. When I am returning that value will be substituted here or not? Next. What is the next? Return of what? Self dot what? CP. That value will be substituted here. Total property is coming. I will print it. Print of. Tell me. Total property. Total property. Total property of child. Of child. Colon. Dot. Format of. What is this? TOT. PROP. Local variable. Execute. Execute. Happy. Enter the parent property. 2.3. 0.1. Total property is this. Say something like 4.5. 0.0. 4.5. 1.2. 5.6. Answer is like this. You can do in another way. How you can do this? This is one way. You can do this way. What is that now? PP1 is equal to self dot parent PROP of, you are preserving. CP1 is equal to self dot what property? Child PROP. Child PROP. And you are printing. You are printing. As a result of that, you are printing one small report. So, you are printing. Which is that next? TOT PROP is equal to PP1 plus what? CP1. Now I am writing print of parent property. Parent property. Parent property. Colon. Format of what? PP1. Next I will take it. Child property. Child property is equal to, what is this now? CP1. Total property of child is equal to this point we are writing. Here I am writing. Done. Execute. See students. Enter. Okay. Bracket problem. Line number 16. Line number 16. 16 also. Right. Execute. Enter the property. 45 and 12. Property is called like this. Enter 2.3 and 4.5. Answer is like this. Online students are able to follow. What type of inheritance this is? Come on, come on. Single inheritance. Shall I move forward? Yes. Same thing. Let me continue. Let me continue like this. Here you see. Here you see. I will take it. INHPROZ3. INHPROZ3. Grandparent. Grandparent of DEF. I am taking. Here I am taking. What is this now? Grandparent of self. What is this now? GPP. Grandparent property. GPP. Enter what? Grandparent property. Okay. Grandparent properties are coming to where? Parent. Parent. See, I say colon. Parent is getting the properties from grandparent. Parent property you are reading, and that also. In grandparent, how many functions are there? Only one function. In parent, how many functions are there? Two functions. One is what? Parent property plus grandparent property. When child is getting the parent property, from parent, how many things are coming? Two functions are coming. One is parent property plus, how do you take it? That also, I will take it. What is this now? I will call that function. Easy. GP1 is equal to, what is this today I am writing? Grandparent property. Grandparent property. Writing. And say what? GPP, GPP1 plus PP1, etc. I am writing that. Here I am writing. What I am writing here? Grandparent property. I am saying here. Grandparent property. I am writing here. GPP1. GPP1. And the same thing. What is this now? GPP to PP. And then what? CP. What type of inheritance? Multi-level. Multi-level inheritance we can call. So, take it. Here I will take it. Go to this place. I am saying, come out of that. Execute. PY 3 dot. Enter grandparent property. 1.2, 4.5, 0.3. Total property is this. Are you able to follow? Yes. So 10, 20, and 5. This is the data. Easy or difficult? Easy. So, doubt? No doubt. Huh? Stand up. Memory. What is the need of that idea of the objects? How do you get the object of this? Am I having? How do you get the idea of it? To get an ID, my dear student, that's what I am saying. GD is equal to grandparent. Then only you can get the ID. ID of what? GD. I am not at all creating this object now. Where is that point is covered here? You see this concept here. You see this concept. When we develop any inheritance-based application, it is always recommended to create an object of bottommost derived class because it inherits the features of what? Intermediate base classes and also what? Topmost base class. Topmost base class. Yesterday only that point is covered. Right or not? If you want to get the IDs, you need to create the object, my dear student. Right. Take care. So coming to the point of it. Are you getting this? ID not at all necessary. Okay, now? Right. So, before asking the doubt, you think about it. Because every doubt when you ask, it is becoming fail. Right. Next. One more example I want to tell you. Which level inheritance it is? Right. Next. Look at students. Father and then mother. And then mother. Father properties are 1.5. Mother properties are 2.5. And child property is also there. Child property is also there. Child property is 0.2. What is this inheritance is called? Come on. Which inheritance? Huh? Hierarchical. Take your bag and go to home without telling in hostel. So, what is this is called multiple. What inheritance this is? Multiple. Why you are saying hierarchical? Huh? No, not at all reading. That's the main problem of yours. So, I'll take this. Let me take it. Let me take it. Coming to this level. Class, father. So say here, class father. Say here, colon. What is this now? Father property, float of. Enter father properties. Enter father property. FP I will take it. FP. So this is FP. Next, I'll take it what one more class I will write it. Enter mother. So mother property. So I'm going to take it mother property. So MP. Enter mother property. So MP. Two things. Now class. What is this? Child of comma. I say father, comma, what I am saying, mother. So, what type of inheritance? Multiple. Multiple inheritance I will say. Now I will get it. Same to same. FP1 is equal to, you call that function once. You call that function self dot. One function I will define. DEF. What is this now? Total PROP of what? Self. Of self. I can say, what is this? Of. Next I will do what? MP1 is equal to self dot what? Mother properties. So I will write it here. So I am writing here mother property. And I am going to write it. CPROP is equal to, or TOT PROP is equal to, TOT PROP is equal to, what I am saying? FP1 plus MP1, and then print a small description about this data you printed. About this data you printed. See students, remove this and then coming to this point, what is this parent property? And next is called what I say here. Now I am writing. What is this property here? Mother property. Mother property. What is this now? MP1. And next child property. Child property. I did not get it. Here I will get it. Child property also I will write it. TOT property. I will write this message here itself. I'll write this message here itself. Is equal to CP I will write it. Enter what property? Child property I will take it. So I will add what here? Self dot CP. PP got it. FP1 I got it. FP1 I got it. MP1 I got it. Child property what I will say? Self dot what? CP. Self dot CP. And the total property of the child is what? TOT PROP. This logic I wrote earlier separately. Now I am writing inside only. Following students? Right. Coming to this, what is this inheritance is? INH PROC 4.py. 4.py. Which inheritance this is? Multiple. Multiple is very, very important, students. I will come to a lot of things are there about multiple. So, line number. So, okay, if you say silent, I will do that, okay? Don't excite. So, line number 10. Line number 10, FATHER. It is a spelling mistake only. Nothing is a logic problem. So, no main program written. Now I need to call the methods. How I am going to call the methods? Program I am writing. Come on, create an object of what? CO is equal to what? Child of. CO dot what is my function name? Yes, I'll write like this. What is CO? Object of child class. Execute it. Execute it. Run this. Enter child property 1.2. Enter father property 4.5. Enter mother property 5.6. And the data is like this. So 3, some 12, something like 15 got the data like this. Are you able to follow? Yes. See students, first time we are going to write it. What is CO is equivalent to? What is this CO is equivalent to? Child of. Child of. Remove this. This is called a nameless object we can call. Calling instance method. Calling instance method with respect to what? నేమ్లెస్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. క్లాస్ కదా, ఎవరైనా క్లాసు ఏం అసలు నేమ్లెస్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, మీకు కొద్దిగా మైక్రోస్కోప్ తెచ్చుకోవాలి ఇప్పుడు. చైల్డ్ డాట్, ఇఫ్ ఐ రైట్ ఇట్, ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ క్లాస్ నేమ్. అక్కడ క్లాస్ నేమ్ లేదు. వాట్ ఈస్ దేర్? ఆఫ్. వాట్ దట్ మీనింగ్? చైల్డ్ ఆఫ్. ఎర్లియర్ I wrote your basic code, child of. Child of or not? CO dot what? TOT PROP. It is one code, right or not? Mathematically, students, CO is equal to what? In place of CO, what I can write? Child of dot what? TOT PROP. What is this line is called? Nameless object. Spell out. What is the difference between CO and then child of? This is called a nameless. Directly I am calling the method. No need to have an explicit object name. Directly I am calling my method. That is known as what? Nameless object we can call. Are you following me? So, if you go to it, you take as usual. This is one thing. Print of ORR. I can say this line also. ORR. Come on. Child of dot what? TOT PROP. Execute. Single line code. Enter the child property 34, 23, 123. This is the data of what? Named object. Again, nameless object. This one, below one. Are you following me? As enter some 0, 1 and then 2. Are you getting this? Following? Nameless object. This type of coding you will not find anywhere. Take any website and go through it. Whoops means any website out. Whoops. Why I am saying this? Because in AI level I am explaining this whoops. Understand? Right. That's why take every moment of it. Here, child of is called what object? Nameless object. I will use it in multi-threading. Multi-threading lo use chestannadi malla. I will use it in multi-threading. Today only I am making you prepare. Okay, now? Right. Done. Which inheritance this is? Right. This is a function, this is a function, this is a function. Which type of inheritance? Right. Is it understandable? Yes. Look at one small thing. One more I want to add it. What is that inheritance you need to tell? Online students, up to here, are you confident enough? Up to here, are you confident enough? Quickly. Students in online, quickly. Required quick response. Okay. Now I am going to take up one small point. I am writing here. See students, I am taking something like this. Look at. Here I am writing. Father of what? Grandparent. Tell me, this is which type of inheritance? Huh? Which inheritance? Yes, very good. Girls. Trying to give some new name, huh? Inventing some new name. What is this inheritance? Hybrid inheritance. So, come on. Grandparent properties are coming to where? Father. And then parallelly mother is also there. Mother properties and father properties are coming to where? Child. What is this inheritance is called? Single inheritance. This part you observe it now. What is this inheritance? Multi-level. And what is this inheritance is called? Single. So multi-level and single is called combination or not? You take it. What is this inheritance is called? Single. What is this inheritance is called? Multiple. Multiple plus single is called what? Same. Right or not? Yes. So, coming to this, here also I will write it. Which one I will write it? GP1 is equal to GP1. GP1 is equal to, what is the function name I will call? This function I will call. This function I will call. Add that to this place. What is this now? GP1. Wherever you like it, you can add. So I can say here I am writing which properties? Grandparent property. What is this now? GP1. GP1. Total property is added. Are you following, students? Right. Which object is created? Nameless object I will create. You acquainted now? So 5.py. Execute. So coming to the 1.2. So grandparent property not defined. Self dot I need to write it. Self dot I need to write it. So py execute 1.2 grandparent property 2.3 12.4 13.5 getting the data like this. 1 all of them for calculation purpose easy. Understand? Which type of inheritance? Hybrid. Hybrid inheritance. Speaking always shortcut will become shortcut. So open the notes. I will give you one document related problem. Online students, one document related problem I am giving. You need to identify that and what inheritance you need to tell. Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will implement the following. Write a Python program which will implement the following. Write down. Next line. I am giving the problem statement, students. Let us assume there exists a university. Let us assume there exists a university. Let us assume there exists a university which contains university name, which contains university name and its location. University name and its location. Accept and full stop. Continue. Accept and display university details. Accept and display university details. Don't write only notes, okay? Don't write only, think about it. Okay? Now, that is one small paragraph. Continue or next line, whatever you feel. Still problem is there. Continue. Let us assume there exists a college. Let us assume there exists a college which contains college name. Come on. College name and its location. Take care. Now I am giving the question. Continue. Full stop. Accept and display college details along with university details. Accept and display college details along with university details. Which inheritance that is? Single inheritance. What is the base class? University. What is the derived class?
అవి ఇది అద్దుకోవాలా
College.
అద్దుకోవాలా నేను అది
Okay. What is university is called class.
అది అద్దుకోవడానికి
What is college? Subclass. Okay. Good. Next. Continue.
చూడే
Look at on the board. On the screen. College contains what? College contains what? Students. Students will be there or not? Yes. Write down. Continue. Let us assume.
పట్టమ్మా
Let us assume.
నాకేం తేవద్దప్ప ఇంకా
Let us assume there exists a student. There exists a student. There exists a student which contains
అంటే ఆ పాప వచ్చా
which contains student number, comma, student name
ఏ జిక్కు
and course pursuing and course pursuing and course pursuing course pursuing. Are you following me? What inheritance it? Full stop. Continue. Accept and display students details. Accept and display students details
పాలు లోపల పెట్టి ఒక ప్లేట్ తెచ్చిగా
students details along with your question connect. If you understand the question, you will continue the complete the question also. College and university details. Accept and display student details along with college and university details. Right. So, Ajit Gupta, you have given some small part of the question, but completely did not give. Actually, I want to paste that in the class. Okay. Any of students? Okay, got it. Ajit Gupta is giving that question. I will write the code for it. Did you understand first of all that question? Say students. Right. What type of inheritance? Students? Multi-level inheritance. What is the super class? University. What is the derived class? College. Student. What is the intermediate base class? Good. Now I will go for implementing that code. So file, new, college, Python. I'll just go for it. So, okay, he is split into different parts. So actually, I would like to say the same thing in one line only. Write a program which will implement the following. Okay. So this is A. Got it. Next, one more. I will take one more. So this is my question, students. Now I need to write the code for it. Shall I start? Tell me. What with the help of you, I will start writing. Okay, 1 minute. Direct class. కొద్దిగా ఉంటుంది. When you are playing one day international directly ball one, no extra innings, that like that. So this is called what? University. First I am giving outline. I will take one special function for what? DEF. Get what details? University details first. University details self. I will write there some data. DEF. What I will say? Display what? University details. I got it. Are you following me? Yes. This is somebody developed it. It is working nice. One more kind of class I will take it. What is the class name called? College. Another programmer is defining this college. He is defining DEF. Come on, students. Get the what details? College details of self, and he is defining DEF. What is this now? Display what details? College details of what here? Self. Now tell me, students, this is a class defined by one more programmer. This programmer need what? This programmer need the details of what? So definitely will write a college of what? University will write it. Up to that is which inheritance? Yes. Later, somebody else need what? One more type of class is required. What is that class, ma? Student is the class. Student is the class. There I will take get student and then display student. And that person is saying he is not writing this details plus this details because it was already defined it. He is minimizing the time, space is minimized, fastest execution, redundancy reduced it, and he will write simply what? College. He will not write university because university is already inherited into where? Yes. Which type of inheritance it is? Multi-level. Easy or difficult? Easy. So let's start the coding now. Did you understand the blueprint of the specification? Start your class. Students in online, come on students. University. This I will tell you. With the modules I will tell you. With the modules I will tell you. Okay now? Right. If you want with the package also I can tell you. Okay? First with normal coding in the same code. Next modules. Next packages. Packages already half of the people pending, right? Pending. Yes, I understand. DEF, come on students. Get university details of what? Self. Get university details of self. Come on students. I will write it. Self dot u name. U name is equal to input of enter university name. Enter university name. Enter your university name. So I am writing something like this. Okay, students. Now I will write it. Self dot what? ULOC is equal to input of enter university location. University location. I am writing. University location. I am writing that. Two things are there. Now I will display. DEF what? Display. University details. University details of what? Self. Now I am printing students something like this of 50 and I am printing what? University name students. University name.
And
Writing here dot format of what? Self dot u name. Self dot u name. University location I will write it. Location I will write it. So, location I am writing. Self dot what? ULOC. ULOC I am writing. Okay, students. Now I am writing something like end of this. This is working fine. How do you test it whether it is working or not? How do you test it, students? U is equal to what? University. U dot what? Get the university details. And U dot what? Display. So that I can get the details of both. Understand? Yes. So, coming to the next class. What is the next class, student? Class college. I will say to quicker development, I will copy and paste here. I say get which details? College details. What is this now? C name. Enter. What is this now? College name. Enter college name. And enter college location. Enter college name and college location. CLOC.
అంటే
Display what?
తిందురా
College details.
ఇది
I
కొంచెం
say,
కొంచెం
come on. College name. What I will write it? C name. And next I will write it what? CLOC. I say
పట్టు
college location. So I am going to write it. College location. End of this. Are you following me? Yes. So I need to write college is independent, university is independent, and every college is getting the details from where? So this is up to here is called a single inheritance. Understand, students? Well, coming to the next part of it, I will write it one more type of class. What is my class name? Say, I say student. I say student. Of what I will write directly? Yes. College I am writing. DEF. What is this now? Get STUD details. Of what? Self. Self dot SNO is equal to int of input of enter student number. Enter student number. Self dot S name is equal to input of enter student name. Enter student name. Next, enter self dot CRS is equal to input of enter student course, academic course. Student academic course. Okay. Now I will go for DEF display STUD details. STUD details. So just I am writing STUD details of what I am writing? Self. I want to print this data. How I will print this data, student? I will say display this data. Display this data here. Saying here. Print of what? Student number. Student number. Colon I will say what? Dot format of self dot SNO. Next is what? S name. Student name. Student name. Next is called what? Student course. Student course. Say here student course CRS. I am writing CRS. End of this. Are you following? Yes. Now line number okay. So colon 26th. Right. This is the different classes, multi-level inheritance. Go to this program. Main program I will take it. Main program. Which class object I will create? Student class object I will create. SO is equal to what? Student of. Come on. S dot get STUD details. First I will call the details of everything. SO dot what next? Get what details? College details. How I am calling students with respect to SO only. Are they available from college details into student? Yes, because it is an inheritance. Next, SO dot what? Get university details. Are they available? No. ఎవరో ఒకరు చెప్తున్నారు గర్ల్స్లో నో అని. Get university details. University details are coming to where? College. College details are coming to where? So obviously it is available. Okay. Print it. SO dot first what details will be there in my memo? Display. Which details? University details I will print it. Display university details I will print it. Next, SO dot what? Display. College details I will write it. Last I will display our student details. Display STUD. Display STUD details. Finished. Are you following? Yes. So I will give the file name. I'll give the file name INHPROZ 6.py. 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 See how simple it is. Go to the place py 6.py. Get student details. Did you mean get student details? Okay, spelling mistake. So somewhere else display student details. Display student details. Get the student details meaning. Okay, capital D I will change. Execute it. Same. Done. Student number 100. Say next is called Ajit. Ajit AGRE. Course is called BTech. BTech. Something like ECE. ECE. Next is called college name OUCET. College location is called Tarnaka. Something like this I am writing. Some name I am writing. University name is called Osmania University. So next is called university location HYD. So this is the details are coming. Are you following this? ఏం లేదు చూడడానికి ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ దేర్. ఇంకా చూసేది ఏమి ఉండదు, ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాయడమే ఆలస్యం. అవుట్పుట్ ఈస్ రెడీ. స్టూడెంట్ నెంబర్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ 1200. సంథింగ్ లైక్ వాట్ యు నో రమేష్. సో బీటెక్. సో బీటెక్ CSE without knowledge. Right? College name some ABC, some PQR, some XYZ, something like you know HYD. Done. How many of them belongs to this area? I don't know. So your heart will say the answer for it.
నేనే లావ్ అవుతాను.
Are you able to understand? This is something like what?
లేదప్పా.
Same program I wrote it. Shall I do the same thing, same example by using what? Modules I will take. Shall I? Ready to understand? You'll understand? Okay. So, I will do this class. See students, come on to the point back. I am saying, what is this? Separate class, separate person developed. What is this now? University dot what? PY. File name and what? Treated as what? Module name. Treated as module name. Save it. .py. Are you following, guys? Yes. Next I will take it. What is the next?
ఏంది?
College. New.
ఆ రోజే చెప్పు కదా.
New. I will take up here. What is this is called? College. Dot what? What is this now? File name. And acts as what? Module name. What is an error? Yes, Sweta, Naresh IT. We can save it, ma. It's very simple. I will do it. Within 2 minutes, I will do it. Okay, ma? Sweta, Naresh IT. I will do it. So, what is this error? From university. Import university. What is first university? Module. Second university. Class. Module is a collection of class. ఏ రోజు చెప్పింది ఆ రోజే గుర్తుండేది. A module is a collection of variable names, function names, class names. Today you are seeing module is a collection of classes. What is the module? Collection of class. మిగతా అన్ని ఎటు పోయినాయేమో తెలియదు. Functions, variable names and what? Already told you now. That day I told you we don't know class names. Class names will come in. Oops, I said. Are you getting or not? Yes. Gurtupettukole. Need to carry. Then you are good student. Done. Save this. College.py. Next I will go to which one? Yes. I'll go to this place. Right. Say now. What is this now? Student dot. Any file name you can give. .py. What is this now? File name and what? Module name. Come on. From college. Import college. Or if you say, for example, import college, if you say, what should I do now? College. Don't come and ask me tomorrow, sir, you have written 2 times, sir. College, sir, why you written 2 times? Module name dot variable name, module name dot function name, module name dot class name. Long ago. Import college name as a C. C dot you can write it. What is that C dot? Alias name. alias name dot variable name, alias name dot function name, alias name dot class name. Extraordinary. Save it. No problem. Save it. Done. Done. Are you following? Go to. Next main program I will write it. College is separate. University is separate. University is separate. Next is college is separate. And the next is what? Student is separate. What happens? I lost my host. Shoaib Khan becomes host now. You are the host, okay? Okay, students. Is my screen is visible, students, for all of you? Is my screen is visible? Okay. So, did you understand this mechanism? Tell me, students. Okay. Now I am going to write the main program. Main program I am going to write. Now see the main program. Main program I am writing. Main program. What is my main program? Student, college, university, dot what? Py. Create an object of what? Student. Student of. That's all. S dot what? Get stud details. Stud details. Details D capital. S dot what? Get what details? College details. Because already it is there in the student. S dot what? Get what details? University details. S dot what? Display university details. S dot display college details. COLL kada? COLL details. S dot what? Display student details. STUD details. From student I need to say. Did you understand that? From where? From student. Import student. Student. Line number? Line number 9. Okay. What is missing? Off. Okay. Done. See, students. Done. Execute. PY. Student, college, university. Right. So, number is called 345. Pavan Kalyan. So, he is a present online student. So, next is called what? Student course is called what, you know? BTech, SC. Next is called some ABC, some PQR, some JNTU. So, something like HYD. Getting the details. Are you getting? Yes. This is called what? Calling my functions all at once. Are you following? This is called one program. Same program I will write like this. And I don't write this much of story there. What I will write it? S dot what? Get. See, in another way I am writing. And once you know coding, how many ways you can do it? Get. What is this? STUD details. STUD details. I will just stop it. When you say S dot get student details, it will go to student class or not? Get student details. After reading student details, I will read what details? College details I'll read. And from this method only, I will call college related. Because from the college it is coming or not? How do you call it? C dot or self data. Self or C now. Anything you can use it. Anything you can use it. Anything you can use it. Self dot. Come on. Get college details. Okay. After that, where it is going? You know, college. It went to college. It go to college. From the college details, what I will call here? Self dot. Get what? University details. You can write the same thing. This line you can write the same thing even inside the student only. Yes or no? Yes. If you know very well, you can do everything, students. And here I will say simply s dot what? Come to main program again. Display what details? STUD details. Go to the STUD details. When you go to STUD details, first I don't want to display STUD details. It's college details I want to say. Self dot display college details. Before the college details, here only I will write it. Display university details. What a beautiful coding. Start. Run it. So, student number 4,000. Sagar Thakur. Sagar Thakur. So, Sagar Thakur. So, I will write it. I will write it. ME. 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 Mechanical. Mechanical. So, OU. OU. HYD. Same thing. Same thing. OU. Same campus. HYD. Getting the details. Are you getting or not? Say. అంటే ఆన్సర్ వచ్చిందని మీరు రాలేదనే ఎట్లా అది? ఆర్ యూ గెటింగ్ రైట్? గెటింగ్ దిస్ వే ఆర్ నాట్? సో ఇన్ ఎనీ వే యూ కెన్ రైట్ ద కోడింగ్. The same example I will show using what? Our devil concept. So I'll go to this place. I'll go to this place. Entire program. This is the program which is available in where? This program. I will keep it. This program I will write it. What I do is, and if you understand me, if you get confused, I don't teach. If you want to understand, I will write this code. Will you understand? Okay. This is one program finished. Now I am going to students in online up to here. Are you okay? After online students confirmation, I will move forward. Sagar, okay, understood. See students, with your help, with 6 p.m. 6 p.m. With inheritance, with oops, inheritance. What is that example, ma? Student to university and then college. I will take this thing, and then one main program also I will take. Here only, I'll keep it one small thing called what? Package అంటాను. Package. Underscore ఏం లేదు ఇప్పుడు వినాలి. So college under this, these are all called what? This program you see. This program you see. I'll go to this. I'll close my program, students. Student is getting confused because I am doing this multiple windows operation. Now that's why they are getting doubt. Otherwise they are good enough. So go to the place. Completely closed. Open this program. Which program I am opening? Main program I am opening. What I am doing now? This program is there, na? This also I will keep it into module. This also I will keep it in module. DEF. And a simple auto run for program I am giving. And when you double click setup file, something is there, na? It will run like DEF. Run project. Run project of what? Self. Of self. What I am doing? Like this. That's all. This is also called what? What this is called? File name. And what? That's all. From student, import student. Done. This is my module name. Is a module. Is a module. Okay. Now I will create what? One empty file. Can I create one empty file? Yes. How do you create, students? File, new, others, and then say what? Python. Save it immediately. What is it? Underscore init underscore dot py. Right? And don't try to ask me. Of course, you got already doubt of it. You know, you don't get the doubt also. Of self, colon pass, underscore init underscore dot py. What is the difference? It is a default constructor. Constructor అనేది వద్దని చెప్పాను కదా ఒకసారి. Default constructor, and this is an empty file which makes the folder as a package, which is called one default constructor which will initialize the object. Already told you, you are already know the subject. Why you are saying constructor when there is a detailed discussion is there?
పురుగులమే
Over. Now I will do what? Straight forward. I'll go to, where I will go to? Python. Ideally, I will go. Python ideally. Python ideally, I will go. When I go to Python ideally, what is happening? Import student, college, university, university. Error is coming or not? It is an error. It is not there. What is my module name here? What is my module name here? Student, student, college, university. Is the module error or not? So, straightforward, take it. I will take it. Go to where? Control panel. I'll go to where? Control panel I will take. Or you will go to where, you know, why all these things? Environmental variable. Can I go to environmental variable? As environmental variable. Already Python path is there or not? Say what? Edit. See, here I will say new. Paste it. అయిపోయింది. KVR 6 PM, oops, inheritance packages. For your safe place. I say what? Double slashes I am writing. You know double slashes meaning? If any Unicode characters are there, if any backslash and backslash T's anything is there to suppress those kind of meaning, I am taking. Say okay. Say okay. Say okay. And directly closing the cross button will close yourself. Right? Done. Now go to where? Go to Python ideally. Python ideally. Say, start. Import. What is my module name? I forget. Student, college, university. Yes. SC or yes. Done. Yes dot what? Run PROJ. Run PROJ. Emission file. Yes dot what? What is my function name? Run PROJ. What is this? Missing one required parameter. Yes dot run PROJ. Okay, correct. Yes dot self. No? ఒక్క నిమిషం. 1 minute students. Import as something like x dot run project. Okay, so missing one required parameter. Line number okay, good. Yeah. Why? Because it is not a class. It is not a class. Suppose if at all you need self only, let it be. I don't want to say class. What is that? Project I will take. See students, I don't want to, because self is coming when it is coming to class. Self will not come when you go for functional programming. Okay. Do this. You please come out of it. Yes. See, this is the class I am writing, then only self will come. If I write only run project, it will not come into that. Go to the place, students. This place, Python ideally. Not only that, ideally, wherever you go for it, you can get it. So, from import, what is that? What is that now? project as P dot run PROJ. Ma project. No, correct. From module name import, self is getting a problem here. 1 minute, student. Okay, 1 minute. Oh, got it. From this place, what is that now? Let it be. This is called a class or not? Class or not? Create an object called what? Project. Then say what? P dot what? Run project. See that automatically help is coming. Run project. Now answer is coming. Earlier what I called? Alias name I am calling. It is not a class method. It is a instance method. Instance method means you need to create an object of what? Class. Right. Enter the number. Say 1, 2, 3. Vinay Kumar. Right. Something like VIT. Something like, okay, course name. Okay, went wrong. So college location, AMPT. So university name, JNTU. Location is HYD. Something, whatever entered, I got it. Right or not? Understand, students? Easy or difficult? Easy. Go to which environment? Same thing. I'll go to Python environment. Directly I'm going to Python environment. Come on. Import student. What is my module name? Only like that. Import student. Yas SU. Okay. Come on. Directly it is asking SU. 1, 2, 3. ABC. Something like BE. So ABC. PQR. Next ABC. HYD. Output is coming. Of course, ideally, and then Python is going to be taking here Python in the same manner, na? That's why it is taking care directly like this. Go to next where? PyCharm. So go to where? 7 AM. ఏదో లేమ్మా అదే తీసుకోవాలా ఓకే గర్ల్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ సిన్సియర్ ఓకే go to that file name, Python file name. I'll take it, say pack.py, say this part, say what is this? From import, what is the class name? Project, as P, P is equal to P of P dot run PROJ. Enter the student number. So 111 say B Harshita. Next is called what? BTech. CSC. So JNTUC. H. Right. So something like this I am entering. University name JNTU. So HYD. I just enter. Got it. Anywhere, whatever you like. Class name, alias name I give. Alias name object I wrote it. Run the project. Understand? Yes. Package is also easy. Okay, students? No need to call. Your doubt clearly if you tell, I will understand. Your doubt is static method If the method is static, you have to call the method either with respect to class name or with respect to object name or with respect to self. You can call with respect to CLS also. I already told you. Now here you can call with respect to object name, you can call with respect to class name, you can call, but you cannot call with respect to self. You cannot with respect to CLS. Why? Because self and CLS are the formal parameters you can access in the same place where they are available, but you cannot access in other part of the programming. Other part means this only. Sit down. Are you able to follow? Did you understand? Right. So this is comes under what? Inheritance packages. So third time also I came to packages, but you did not understand. Correct? When do you understand packages? I don't know. So finally, package example also done. But Sweta asked one question. Sir, I want to save these details into the database. I want to save these details into the database. How to save these details into the database? Go to my program. Which program I will take, students? Go to our place. Wherever you like it, students, not an issue. Go to our program. In this case, inheritance, student and college, this program you take it. Details are there now? S dot. When I go to my class called student, in this class only, I will define one method. Where I will define? Go to student. See students, I'm going to take it. In the student, in this place, I will write one mechanism. What is the mechanism? DEF. Come on. Store. Which data? Student, college, university, data. Of what? Self. Write what code here? PDBC code. PDBC code I will write it. Understand? Okay. Before writing the PDBC code, I will take one table or not? Table I will go for it. Go to MySQL root. So entering into this, come on students, show databases. Sweta, Naresh IT, student. Use, what is this? Batch 6 p.m. Batch 6 p.m. Show what ma? Tables. Show tables. So these are my tables. Tables we can create. So she is there in the class. She is not there. She asked a doubt and then went off. You are there, ma? Okay. So SH. Her name is SH. Okay, ma. So I searched on SWA. Okay, ma, you are there. So when I asked you, respond it. When I am responding to your answer means you need to respond it. Create a table. Come on. Create table. Create table. Table name. What is the student? University student of, come on, SNO, int type, number of, int type, Oracle that is, int type. Next, name. Name. What is this now? Varchar 2 of 10, comma, Varchar, okay. Varchar, CRS, Varchar of 10, comma, next, C name, Varchar of what? Some 6, next, C location, college location, COL LOC, Varchar of something like 10, next, U name, university name, what is this now? Varchar of something like 5, I will give only 5-letter word. Next is what? CLOC, university location, Varchar of what? 10, semicolon. Query is okay. Table created. DESC university student,
पानी వస్తాయి లేదో
university student,
पानी पानी you know पानी water
university STU, okay, university STU, are you getting or not? Yes, these are my fields. Select star from, what is the table name? University STU. So no rows, empty set, right or not? Now go, write the code. I forget.
చేసినావు కాబట్టి నీకు తెలిసింది నీళ్ళు రాకుండా పాపం
Try.
ఎట్లా
Con is equal to MySQL dot
కూడా అదే
connect dot
ఇది చేయలేదు.
connector dot connect of
పెట్టేటట్టుంటే మంచిగా దీని మొత్తంకి అడ్డం పెట్టు
host is equal to
బొగ్గల
local host
పని ఆ వైరేంటి
comma user is equal to root PASSWD is equal to root comma database is equal to batch 6 p.m. batch 6 p.m. Are you okay, students? Yes. CUR is equal to CON dot cursor of, come on, I say insert query is equal to insert into university STU, అంతేనా? university STU, say percentage D comma percentage S comma, come on students, so I say percentage S, I say carefully, you observe it. I say next one more percentage S. All of them are totally how many? One more percentage S. Are you following me? As first one number, name of the student, course name, college location, university name, university location. Okay. CUR dot execute of IQ percent of I forget, self dot SNO comma self dot S name comma self dot CRS self dot C name comma self dot C location self dot U name comma self dot ULOC CUR dot CON dot commit say that student record inserted
ఎత్తుకోనని
successfully dot format of CUR dot row count. Beautiful, right? And I write except MySQL dot connector dot come on,
జిక్కలు అంటే
database error yes DB print of problem in DB comma what DB. Done. 21st line, my dear students, what is that? Yes, values, any right or not? Which line? 22, what is that? Close the bracket or not? Yes, one more bracket close. Okay, students, so call this function in where? This function I will call it in my main program. How do you call?
పెట్టిస్తాను
Yes dot,
అంటే
yes dot,
యాడలో
finished. So run this code. Coming to this area, exit off, you come out of that, you execute my program, py, enter the student number 111. So Sweta. So BE. Say some college name, VAT, something like AMPT, AMPT, something like OU part, HYD, you say student update has no attribute, store student college university data. Something is missing. This function I need to call it. So has no attribute it is saying. So this function I need to take care. So I'll go to this. Actually, I did not save it, student. Here. No. Import led. I did not save it. Basically, where it is written this place, coming to this place, I did not save it, mom. Huh?
Go. You can go.
Okay. That is also there. It is supposed to import. Definitely I need to import what? MySQL dot connector. MySQL dot connector. Okay. No problem, students. We'll run once again. Until we get the answer, we'll run this code. Right, one record inserted successfully. Right, go to the place. Go to the place. Select star from. Yes. Inserted. Run once again. Run once again. Student number 222. So, row some. So something like, Python. Say college name PSF, NL, PSF, U. So NL 56. So one record inserted successfully. Go to that table. You say second record also inserted. Understand? Understand? Yes. So you are thinking, understand, sir, when to do this entire thing, sir, after going to home? The big doubt or not? Will you do it after going to home? Seeing it. So I wrote it. You practice it. In the inheritance also database details are coming. Exceptions are coming. Modules are coming. Exceptions also, if you want, you can go for it. Packages are there. Everything is there. Right. This is about what? Inheritance. Now time is 7:45. Just class start అయినట్టుంది అసలు అయిపోయింది అప్పుడే. So like that. ఇప్పుడు చెప్దామా? 7:45 అవుతుంది. So stand up. Class is over now. Class is over. Just we want to relax with our student. What is polymorphism? ఆల్రెడీ బాలగురు స్వామి చదివి ఉంటావు కదా నువ్వు. One interface access. Example. అది చెప్తే విప్రోలో ఏమంటాడు? రైట్ ఏ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఆన్ టంగ్ అంటాడు. No. Don't tell that examples. That is only for telling to, as a teacher I can tell you, but if you carry that example to interviews, it's a very danger. Don't tell that. In interviews, always technical words you need to use. His doubt is very intelligent in the sense, Amir paid examples this is. With one tongue, if you eat bitter gourd, some taste. If you eat chocolate, some taste. If you eat something, some taste. One tongue with a different taste, he is saying. That is what I am saying. If you tell nose, eyes, if I see with green eyes, green specks, green, yellow, sit down. That is not the. What is the purpose of polymorphism in real time? Nobody knows, including you also, including everybody also. I'll tell tomorrow class. What is the use of polymorphism? I'll tell in the class. How inheritance is more, how polymorphism is more than inheritance, I'll explain tomorrow. Okay now? Right. So relax. So, okay students. Tomorrow class when I come back, I'll go for polymorphism. Don't miss the class. Thank you students. All the best. Students in the online. Satya Ranjan. Yes, my dear student, Satya Ranjan.
Hello. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, Satya Ranjan. Tell me, ma.
Yes, sir. Sir, the function means the program which
So
I
I
can
did
understand.
not see that, ma, because I'm having some other work is
Sir,
there.
could you please tell me about the update function in this program so I can understand? I
Simple
can.
update. Which one you want to update it?
Uh, Anyone from the list,
Suppose
sir. Anyone
based
from the
on the
list.
number, you want to update the name and course. Okay, for
Yes.
example, name and course.
Course.
How do you
Yes,
do
sir.
that? For example, IQ is equal to some update query is equal to C. Update. Table name is called what? University. STU, student university. Set. Which one I want to update?
Yes, name.
Yes,
Uh,
name. Okay. How do you write it? See the column name. What is the column name here? Name.
Name.
Name is equal to, I write it, single quote percentage yes,
Yes.
comma. Course also I want to. What is the course here? CRS.
Yes.
CRS is equal to, I will write here percentage yes. Where, what is that? SNO. See the database column name. SNO is equal to what?
Triple one.
Percentage D.
Yes.
Okay. CUR dot execute of what? UQ percent of what is the first one in order? This is the first in order, second
Name.
in order, third in order.
Yes, sir.
So first I will pass. What is this percentage? Yes. Self dot. What? Yes name. Comma. Self dot. What is this S name? Already you are having here.
Yes, sir.
Self dot what? CRS.
Yes.
Comma. Self dot what? SNO,
Yes, sir.
which is based on the number. This
Yes,
is
sir.
what I am going to use.
Yes, sir.
Simple, na?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay.
that. Yes, sir.
So you just check it out where you have done the mistake. You
Sir,
take a pic of it.
sir, in this part that was right, sir. But where I have done the mistake, I can't understand, sir.
You send the complete code once with module wise. I can see once.
Yes, sir. I already sent you that
Sent.
code.
Okay. I will look into that one because I
Yes,
have
sir.
busy classes now. Continuous classes are there. That's why I did not
Sir,
find the time.
okay,
Okay.
sir. Sir, I also sent you the means snapshot of the database also.
Okay. I will look into that now once. Okay.
Yes.
No.
Okay, sir.
Students in the online, any more doubts are there, students? So meantime, I will upload the notes of it. Any doubts are there, students? You can raise your things.
ఇది ఎట్లా ఆఫ్ చేసేది